Hi everyone, it's Ria. I'm Japanese, living in the United States. I usually go grocery shopping once a week. I go to a regular supermarket and an Asian market. This time, I went to the Asian market and bought some beef. One of the reasons I like Asian markets, especially Korean ones, is because they offer a wide variety of cuts and slicing styles for both beef and pork. It's very convenient for cooking, and the prices are usually reasonable. This time, I bought thinly sliced short plate beef. This cut has a nice balance of fat and lean meat, which makes it perfect for gyudon. Price was $13.41. This makes about 4 servings, so you can make gyudon for under $4 per person. My husband loves gyudon, and for him, gyudon basically means Yoshinoya style beef bowl. So today I will show you how to make gyudon at home. Let's start cooking. First, spread the beef out on the plate, so it's easier to add into the pot later. Next, slice the onion about 5mm thick pieces. Since we'll be simmering it, it doesn't have to be too thin. For the dashi, traditionally it's made from bonito flakes and kombu kelp, but today I'm using Hondashi. It gives very similar flavor, so it's perfectly fine to use at home. Then add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Two tablespoons of mirin. 2 tablespoons of sake. There's a rumor that Yoshinoya uses white wine instead of sake, so you can use either one. And 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Turn on the heat. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Then add the onions and let them cook. Once the onions are soft, add the beef and let it cook slow. As it cooks, you'll see some foam forming on the surface, so remove it as needed. You can also blanch the beef beforehand if you prefer a cleaner, more refined taste. Try not to overcook the meat, as it can become tough. After a few minutes, turn off the heat and let it cool. I'm making this ahead for tomorrow because I have something to do in the morning. This way, I can just reheat it and serve it quickly. Good morning. Let's get everything ready for the gyudon. First, I'll prepare the rice and the miso soup. In the past, people used to say you should wash and polish the rice really well. But these days, most rice here is already pre-washed, especially Japanese style rice. So you don't need to rinse it too much. I just rinse it 2 or 3 times until the water looks less cloudy. Then cook it. For the miso soup, I'm using kombu kelp and a dashi packet. Dashi packet contains bonito flakes, dried fish. Today's miso soup ingredients are shiitake mushrooms, shimeji mushrooms, and bok choy. Cut them small pieces. I also use the kombu kelp I used for the dashi. It's just a home cooking. Add them to the dashi and cook them lightly. Once the vegetables are cooked, turn off the heat and dissolve the miso. Now, I'll reheat the gyudon made yesterday. Warm it gently so it doesn't reduce too much. The rice is ready. Serve the beef over the rice. At the same time, lightly reheat the miso soup, just until it's steaming. Avoid bringing it to a boil. Warm it gently so it doesn't reduce too much. Finally, pour the beaten egg over the beef. If you are not comfortable with a raw egg, you can use a poached egg instead. Add some pickled ginger on top and sprinkle some shichimi if you like. And it's done! Itadakimasu! It tastes just like Yoshinoya. It's really good. You can make this in about 30 minutes, even starting from cooking the rice. And it costs under $4 per person, even including the rice. So I hope you will give it a try. Thank you so much for watching until the end. How did you like this video? If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate your support. If you have any requests, please let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye!